Ubuholi Obusha beANC Esifundeni Sase-Tshwane obuqokwe engqungqutheleni yangalempelasonto nalapho kuqokwe khona Eugene Modise ngokungephikiswa buthi buzimisele ngokuvuselela kabusha leliqembu kulesifunda kanye nokuqhakambisa abaholi besifazane.
The constitution of the ANC is very clear. The REC of the ANC is constituted by 25 members, and women should have 50% representation. And because you can't have 12 and a half, it is a constitutional requirement that the majority of those who should be elected should be women. So we are going to have majority of women representation in the REC. So out of 25, we will still have a majority being women, and they are going to be given critical responsibilities. So the ANC takes our mothers, our daughters very serious, to a point that at all material times we assign them serious responsibilities